Is your iPhone's keyboard sound not working? If it's too quiet or completely silent, don't worry. This is a common issue with a simple solution. In this guide, I will show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started and sort this out. Solution 1. Check keyboard sound settings. Make sure keyboard clicks are enabled. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to the keyboard feedback section. Ensure the sound toggle is turned on or green. Test your keyboard by typing in any app to hear the clicks. Solution 2. Adjust system volume. Sometimes the keyboard sound may be too quiet because your system volume is low. During typing, use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to increase the system volume. Ensure that the mute switch on the side of your iPhone is turned off. Flip it up. Check if the keyboard clicks are now audible. Solution 3. Disable silent mode. Silent mode can turn off all system sounds, including keyboard clicks. Check the side switch on your iPhone. If the switch is in the down position, your iPhone is in silent mode. Flip the switch up to turn off silent mode and restore sounds. Test your keyboard to see if the click sound is working. Solution 4. Check for software updates. Outdated software may cause audio issues, including keyboard sounds. Open Settings and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Restart your iPhone after the update and test the keyboard sound. These steps should help you fix the keyboard click sound issue on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more tips and stay connected for the next video.